Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Capcut and importing the clips you'll place side by side. Drag both videos into the media bin so they're ready. Once done, create a new project and set project resolution and frame rate to match your primary clip to avoid scaling jumps. Make sure one clip is selected as your reference for timing. Then drag the first clip to video track 1 and the second clip to video track 2 so we can position them independently. Now you'll arrange both clips on the canvas. Select the first clip and use Transform to set position X to shift it left and scale to fit. Then select the second clip and move it right. If you want vertical split, adjust Y values instead. Use Crop to remove unwanted edges and keep subjects centered. Make sure both clips share the same scale percentage for visual balance. To maintain precision, enable grid or guides, and nudge values. Finish by adding a divider or subtle border so the split is clear. Use the Shape tool or a 1-2px line overlaid between clips. Once the visuals are set, balance audio. Either mute one clip or set levels to around -3 to -6 decibels so voices don't fight. Then preview the timeline, scrub through transitions, and export with your chosen resolution and codec. If something looks off, reset Transform on a clip and realign using the same position/scale values. That fixes most alignment issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.